Hello and a warm welcome to KnowledgeHub, your destination on YouTube for valuable information and insights. Today, we will discuss the personal pronouns and their subjective, objective, and possessive cases in more detail, including both singular and plural forms. Personal pronoun. A personal pronoun is a type of pronoun that is used to replace specific nouns in a sentence, often referring to people or things, without having to repeat the noun multiple times. Personal pronouns are called personal because they typically relate to a specific person or thing. Personal pronouns can change their form based on their role in a sentence and the person first person, second person, or third person they refer to. There are several categories of personal pronouns. Subjective case. The subjective case is used when the pronoun is the subject of a sentence, meaning it performs the action or is the doer of the action. Subjective pronouns include I singular, used when you are talking about yourself. You singular, plural, used when addressing someone directly or referring to the person, all people you are talking to. He singular, used when referring to a male. She singular, used when referring to a female. It's singular, used when referring to inanimate objects, animals, or things without a specific gender. We plural, used when referring to a group of people, including yourself. They plural, used when referring to a group of people or things. Examples of the subjective case. I am going to the store. You are my best friend. She's a talented singer. Objective case. The objective case is used when the pronoun is the object of a verb, preposition, or infinitive phrase. Objective pronouns include me singular, used when you are the object of the action. You singular, plural, used when you are the object of the action, and in the second person. Him singular, used when referring to a male who is the object of the action. Her singular, used when referring to a female who is the object of the action. It's singular, used when referring to an inanimate object, animal, or thing that is the object of the action. US plural, used when referring to a group of people, including yourself, who are the object of the action. Them plural, used when referring to a group of people or things that are the object of the action. Examples of the objective case. She gave the book to me. He talked to them. I'm going with you. Possessive case. The possessive case is used to show ownership or possession. There are two main types of possessive pronouns: dependent possessive pronouns and independent possessive pronouns. Dependent possessive pronouns. These pronouns are used to show possession and depend on a noun in the sentence. They are also called possessive adjectives because they function like adjectives and are placed before a noun to indicate ownership, Dependent possessive pronouns include my singular or our plural. Example: my book, our car, your singular or your plural. Example: your house, your dogs, his singular. Example: his bike, her singular. Example: her cat, its singular. Example: its tail, their plural. Example: their children. These pronouns always come before the noun they modify, and agree in number singular or plural with that noun. Independent possessive pronouns. These pronouns stand alone, and do not require a noun to show possession. They are used when it's clear from the context who or what is being referred to, and they emphasize ownership. Independent possessive pronouns include mine singular or ours plural. Example: the book is mine. The car is ours. Yours singular, plural. Example: the pen is yours. His singular. Example: the wallet is his. Her singular. Example: the ring is hers. It's singular. Example: the tree lost its leaves. There's plural. Example: the toys are theirs. Independent possessive pronouns do not require a noun to follow them and can stand alone in a sentence to indicate ownership. In summary, personal pronouns have different forms: subjective, objective, and possessive based on their role in a sentence. Understanding these forms is essential for clear and effective communication in English. Thanks for watching. For additional educational content, you're welcome to subscribe to my YouTube channel, KnowledgeHub.